All right, joining me also on the telecast is Mehndi Garg and Arzu Seth. So first of all, I'll go to Arzu Seth, who's joining from Rajghat. Arzu, what exactly is the situation where you are at Rajghat, and currently in terms of the drainage system, are there any issues? Is it waterlogged currently? What is the situation?
Well, Ria, if we talk about, the rainfall in the national capital, it has given a big relief from the intense heat wave. But yes, there seems to a issue of waterlogging at several places. But if we talk about some of the hotspot that used to be one of the flooded area in the national capital is like ITO, Rajghat. But right now, what we see is a changed picture. A little bit improvement can be clearly seen on those roads. As you can see, we are showing you the picture from the Rajghat. Yes, it's not very much clear. You can see, half stretch of the road is still waterlogged. But yes, the picture we used to see earlier, the entire Rajghat used to submerged in water. There has been a flooded road. But yes, as the rainfall was in the night time, so that's why the water has now been pumped out, and also there has been a lot of pumping machines that are going on rounds in the national capital. We just saw water pump is standing near the ITO, near the Rajghat. So yes, we can clearly see the PWD department being active. Yesterday also Parvesh Verma, PWD minister, was visited the site, visited Minto Road to inspect the condition of the road and to show the changes that is happening, the change that happened at the Minto Road, which used to be one of the most flooded road. So yes, there is a change, but yes, there are a lot of roads. We talk about Mayur Vihar near NH24, there has been a lot of waterlogging. People face a lot of problem. There are still concerns that needs to be addressed. And as I also show, as you can see, people are avoiding this side of the road, and they are taking another route to pass from this particular road. As you can see, there has been waterlogging at this particular stretch of the road. But yes, if we talk about the entire Rajghat area, the improvement can clearly be seen in the Rajghat area. Yes, Ria.
All right.